Flat roofs are the majority for most commercial buildings and spaces. But since the number of homeowners choosing flat roofs for their home, deciding to replace your traditional sloped or slanted roofs with flat roofs. Many people are still wondering why flat roofs are also a good choice for your house. A residential building can also benefit from installing a flat roof. In this article, we're going to discuss flat roofs and their beneficial usage, and what development you can do to make your roof maximize its area. Flat roofs are getting popular all over the world, and every location has its tradition or preference when it comes to materials to use. For example, in warmer climates where minimal rain and freeze occurs, many flat roofs are simply built of masonry or concrete materials. And this is a good choice for keeping the heat of the sun. Plus, it is relatively cheap and easy to build. And for areas that were prone to freezing and ice, flat roofs are not recommended. Flat roof development. As the modern era comes, development and improvement are fast-growing. Flat roofs have become more lucrative in home improvement. There's a lot of development a flat can do in the beautification of your house. Here are some flat roof ideas that will help you in your renovation. A. Protected membrane roof. Have been used for many years now. This will protect the underneath of your roof, your house. Also, a protected membrane roof helps in insulation. When insulation is used directly under the roof, membrane solar heat does not readily pass through the roofing system, which may result to increase roof surface temperature. This simply means that flat roofs provide sun and fire protection. B. Green roofs, also known as a living roof. A living roof consists of covered vegetation, and a growing medium planted over a waterproofing membrane. Green roofs give a numerous for a building, such as absorbing rainwater, provides insulation, creating habitat for wildfire, providing aesthetically pleasing landscapes, and reducing overall heat conducting from the buildings. C. Roof decks. Adding roof decks gives additional seasonal living spaces or recreational areas. Roof decks provide homeowners with outstanding views. Besides, installing a roof deck on your flat roof will increase the personality value of your home. Benefits and usage. A flat roof is the most cost-efficient roof shape, as all room space can be fully used. It also requires less material and is usually stronger than a sloped roof. This style of roofs will allow space for solar panels or recreational areas for the family to enjoy, such as roof gardens and small living areas. Some homeowners use their rooftops like dry laundry, for storage, and even places to raise livestock. Another thing about a flat roof is it is cheaper than you think, since it requires fewer materials other than the materials used in building the roof cost less. Another fact about replacing your slanted roof with a flat roof is its durability. When built and maintained properly, they can last in top condition for almost 30 years. Also, it is recommended structure for high wind areas because it is wind resistant. A flat roof is tricky to build and design. It requires professionals and experts to construct. This is the reason why you should hire a roof professional like our team. We have the knowledge and skill to build your dream design for your flat roof. Being the top roofing construction in Sacramento and Roseville, we can guarantee you to give nothing but the best result on your project. We want to see your smile as you look on your newly built roof, and that is our main goal.